Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial. This one is going to be also about shader graph, and I'm gonna create this marble like material that you have reflections through a normal map which are different or kind of below the actual reflection of the geometry. So you can see the reflection here, and you can see the reflection of these stones. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe, and let's jump into it. The first thing that we are gonna do is to create a new shader. Let's call it marble. I don't know if this is how you pronounce it. And here we are. So we will have the normal to be untouched, right? Because we want the outside to be the actual mesh, and we want under that kind of to have something else. So to do that effect, let's first get a normal map, throw it in here. What's going on? Normal. And we want also a funnel. Create a normal vector node and blend these two together. So it's gonna be normal blend with this one. This one should be defaulted to blue actually, but I'm not sure why exactly they didn't fix this. And then you will connect this to the normal of the funnel, and so to test this, let's connect it to the albedo, and let's save that. I already created a normal map in Blender, as well as a diffuse color and an ambient inclusion. So let's use this one. Let's create a material, and let's throw the material on the cube, and let's throw in this. So what we can see is that the kind of the color is different based on the angle. So we are going to use this, so let's default this one to our rocks. Okay, and so we will have so we will have a texture which is gonna be the color. So let's choose that, and we're gonna put it in a lerp. And so the black is 0, which is A. So we need to connect this in here, and this is going for the T, and let's connect this instead. Save that, and let's attach the diffuse, and you can see now this is what's going on. So let's add also a vector 1 for the funnel power, and let's connect it to the power. Save that. Let's keep the default to 1, and here you can decrease it as much as you want. So you can see now, based on the angle, it's doing this white edges. Let's also add a smoothness. And connect it to the smoothness. Save that. Should be actually a slider from 0 to 1. Okay, and let's add a reflection probe. Real time. Now you can see the reflections that are based on the actual mesh geometry. So we can actually get these reflections and put them instead of this white. This white is coming from here. So to do that, we are going to add a reflection probe node, which will have the view direction as view direction in world coordinates, and the normal is gonna be this one. And yeah, so let's save that. Let's check it out. Now you can see that they are actually reflecting. I guess these artifacts are because of the import settings. You can change that. Let's decrease. You can see if you decrease it, you will have kind of a broken mirror effect. And so you can also go with the actual color of the this texture to be reflecting on these. But so let's go with black as the reflection, and then we will do an emission. So we are going to use this, and we are going to connect this one here so that the reflection is the color, and then we will connect this to the emission. And we can also multiply this to have a nicer effect. And let's create a vector 1, connect it in here. Let's give it like a 5 and use this instead. Save that. Now you can see that based on the angle, they will shine more. You can also put this in a hue node and use that instead, and expose a vector 1 for the hue. Throw it in here, put it there, and then you can play with this so that what is being reflected, or this shine, is a bit of a different color. You can also make it such that based on the Fresnel angle, the hue will change more. So let me show you that. We will put this in a multiply and then add and use the hue for the add, and then put this inside, and let's expose Fernel hue multi. Let's throw that in and connect that and save. So now if you increase this one, you can see a change of color. So let's go actually with some hue that is really different, and so you can see different colors based on how much based on the angle. So it's blue and then it's purple and etc. The only thing that I didn't add yet is another texture for the ambient occlusion, and you can just throw that in and connect any one of these, and this will give you a feel of depth. So you can see when you assign it, it will give you a feel of depth. So that's gonna be it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see the latest videos if you are not subscribed yet.